Hello guys, welcome to my channel. How are you doing here? So in this video I want to show you our next potential coin that is proven to boost massively and it is doing well. So first thing is let us check which coin it is. So I'm going to check my coin market right now. So if you're watching this video the first time, subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to on notification bell because you don't want to miss another episode. So if you miss Safemoon, then this is the next potential coin that you need to buy. So it's NFT Art. So let us check how it's doing in the last 30 days. So as you can see, in the last 30 days, okay, in the last 30 days, so maybe if you put $1 in the last 30 days, you're probably having like 127,960% in ROI. So if you invest in 7 days, so you see the ROI in 24 hours. So this is the ROI in 24 hours. So in 1 hour right now, which is 20%. So maybe day to day yesterday I buy something like $3, and here is the profit, and this is live. As you can see, let me reload this thing. So this is live. As you can see, let me say I put $300 right now. I will be having $900 in this wallet, but this is what we call shitcoin, and it's better that we play safe than uh losing everything. So the uh how do you call this proverb? Something because only for the risk takers we gain more. So at least I invest less. So that is why I'm having this. So if you want to buy this coin right now, all you need to do is just to go into coinmarket.com, or if you don't, just visit your browser and go like coinmarketcap.com, and then click on this search button above. Then search for NFT arts. So as you can see here, NFT arts. So scroll down and search for their contact address right here. So go to your Trust Wallet app. Then you should have load or some Binance BNB, which is a Binance Smart Chain BNB, into your wallet. Then go to your Trust Wallet. So this is where I hold most of my shitcoin, and most of the time I've take more profit from it. So this is the smart chain Binance, which is BNB, that we are going to use. That is what we normally use on PancakeSwap. So click on this DApp app right there and search for, go down below if this is the first time buying this coin, and go to PancakeSwap right there. So don't forget you have use the contract code. So click on currency and paste the contact address. Paste. So as you can see, NFT art, click on it. Then I input the total amount you want to buy. Let's say 01. So there is a trick to this. Okay, let's click on swap. The next thing is click on swap. So then confirm swap, accept price updates, click on swap. So if this thing show this error, sometimes you need to increase your spillage, which is click here and increase it to 12. But there is a trick I normally use. If it does work now, then that will be great. Then I just click on this and click on input dot, add to 0, then continue, and then accept price change, then confirm swap. So as you can see, it goes immediately. So the network fee, which is gas fee, is 0.545. So which is great. So click on approve. Then that's how you buy your coin. So if you are watching this for the first time, subscribe to my channel. Don't forget on notification bell because you don't want to miss another episode. And if you have any coin that you think has a potential to move, please don't hesitate to contact. Comment inside the comment below and let me know what is going on and what problem you're having. And if you want to learn how to trade the cryptocurrency, like invest in cryptocurrency, the more potential, you know, coin is different from token. So coin, for a coin now, we can say Cardinal, Link, Chainlink, BTC, Ethereum. Those are coin. So when we say token, we are talking about this kind of shit coin. Okay. So the next thing I want to tell you is next thing I'm using to earn online, which is the pancake pool, which is usually be working now. So you don't have to hold your sometimes hold your coin, your wallets that will just be leaving it to increase and decrease. You can literally input inside the pool to make some kind of extra money. So wait while this thing load finish. So if you need to join our group, our crypto group, then there is a link below where we will be giving you signal day to day, but there's no signal right at the moment because the market is not stable. So we are waiting for the market to be stable, then we can get started. So let's see. As you can see, my stake is 3.7. So if I want to compare this thing, which means add this n into this n, this stake, that will be good. So I'm going to click on compound and then confirm compound, which will take me to gas fee, which I'm going to leave right now because I don't want to get this. So cancel. So that's all. That is how you're going to have your NFT, which is the potential coin right now. So if you haven't subscribed, please share this video for those who need it and share information for those who need it. And let us be rich together. We shall all meet at the top and have a nice day.